Just tell me when you're ready. Alright. Text something on the chat so I know you're there. Okay, good. Now let me put the chat. Let me just do this real quick. Let's put this party chat. I'm gonna turn the chat on to. Why? I'm not in the close stream. No, I'm not even watching the stream on my phone. It just says that because it's my broadcast. The creatures you can be. Yeah, look, this is like you right here, big guy. And then here's me. Nah, there's the real me. These I can't get because I haven't bought them yet. But I'm gonna play as you right now. Let's see. Many things, many things. Let's go with this. Wait. Can you hear the heartbeat? Was that weird? Alright, bro. Get ready for more stuff. This is the view of you as the killer when you play as the killer. Oh, for the record, bro? Alright, hey, bro. Are you ready for the scary game?
Yeah.
Alright, make sure lights are off and the volumes are up. You really want it like this.
They are.
Okay, good, because this makes the whole point fun and being scary. No penis. Yeah, no penis. It makes sense. I'm just gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna move the chat to my top left screen.
I'm getting no signal right now.
I found one.
Most people want to kill this place off as soon as I get out. I found several heads under the water.
You mother. Come here! Well, you're too slow. Failed me.
I've been trying to warn outsiders to keep this lost alive to use. It would be better probably not the only one here.
You just find this dude like that.
Giant antenna. It picks up all sorts of strange frequencies.
Was that scary? Hello!
Usually missing people never found. This time they found a child's corpse lying around.
Alright, let's see how cheap it is. Look, it's just skirt girl. Move down and away from my first layer. You won't get away after that. Oh, look at that skirt. Oh, yeah. Maybe that skirt won't be. Ah, it like burns. Yeah, it hurts creatures. Through your life. Trying to sleep. Whenever you see go blue route, that means you're near someone. But if it shows like a blue and then circle in the middle, it means you found someone there. They're like really that close. I can't. You gotta get real close up to them to get them. Not like that. Oh, it's a ghost. Yeah, they'll come back as ghosts though. I almost like to mention that. In solos, you're going against PCs, like a monster PC. You're like the monster and these are just PC you're chasing, right, bro? Now, each monster has their own special ability. Let's go. This guy's speed is not good. He's slow. There's only one person left. I already killed 3. No, 4. There's only 4 players. Just like it's similar. Yeah. I just said like 5 survivors. That's what I said before. So it's similar like to Dead by Daylight. No, this is so different. If you shout light, it's different. You blind killer. But this one's different. This stuns the creature. I'm like nowhere near this person. If it's red, it's not good. It means you're far. If it's yellow, you're almost near them. Blue, you're already there. Remember, if it's a blue circle, you're right on them. That teleport I just did there should help you get at least like a little bit close to them. Where they are. Yeah, that's what it did. Oh, I'm right on them. Now where are they? Oh. Good case. Hello. But if you only want to play by yourself, solo in this game. It's gonna help you like a lot. And then look, this shows you what like they've been watching and you've been watching. You want to see how it looks like when you play solo as the investigator?
Yeah.
Alright. Now this one's more scary because you don't know a lot about stuff here.
We seek after knowledge, and you call us criminals.
There are so many lights you can pick here. But you have to level up every time. There's a cat lantern. There's the toy flashlight. A jack-o'-lantern. But for me, I prefer this. I get to pick which beast chase me. Ooh, what's this? Ooh! Yeah, look how you can. Once you level up, you can also get these types, like these character skins. There we go. Be quiet. You don't like the heart? You're gonna what? Alright, tell me, and then come back and tell me when you're ready. No potato salad. I see no potato salad. Oh, you ready, my dude? Yeah, this game's $10. You didn't know? I just said it too. I said, you know what you can get for $10 for $1? I was talking about this game. Why, you gonna try to get it? Oh, the thorns. Beauty. Alright, ready? Alright, so when you do like a solo survival, as a survivor, guess what? There's only one killer and there's no other there's no other PC characters to help you in there. You're by yourself completely.
Oh shit.
Yeah. But that actually kinda helps you at least a little bit. So like if you're in a squad and you wanna go by yourself, you can be ready for that. Or unless you're the only survivor left. So this kinda helps a bit. So watch and learn. Let us begin. Okay, this way. What, you want me to start doing that with the light?
I just have to switch this thing on, and the whole system will overload. Okay, careful.
It increases, you need those for your light. Always look behind you, and make sure there are these just in case you don't feel safe. Oh yes. You can also go to this, like settings, your games, and whatever the light stick color you want, you can always pick right here.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm gonna go for blue. But I'm gonna have to wait for next match for that to be out blue. Why, are you buying the game already?
Not yet.
Ah.
What is it called?
Okay. Oh shit! You'll be invisible, but when you turn on the light like this, turn them. And then you take this chance to run. Before they grab you. And then they vanish. And you go somewhere else. And then you can come back again. You don't die. But hey, Rail, you wanna know something? If you're doing a solo like this, if you get, I think it's certain characters, but you get grabbed 3 times, you're dead. Game over. You don't want to get grabbed that much. Now, there's more objects besides batteries you can find. Oh, you want to be careful with your notes. Those tells them where you are. Always be careful. Now that character I'm playing, you can put like decoys. Like you can put like decoys like this type.
The Ferris wheel acts as a giant antenna. It picks up all sorts of strange frequencies.
Hear radio. I knew it. No, that's just horror thing. Get me up. I hear a radio. I'm near one. There it is.
Great. And
Almost
now
about to
full
miss it.
times.
If he's somewhere close and you don't know it, those tapes will make him vanish somewhere else. Every time you grab him when he's near. Trust me, whenever you see a battery and your light's not low, you always want to grab it. You can't risk your life. You can't risk it. You don't want to risk it. These lights are dying until you can't see them after 7 out of batteries.
Some people want to keep
I heard a
the spark
screech, I didn't
alive.
like it, so I just grabbed
It would
one
be
for
better
it.
to bury it, for God's sake.
I don't like it because this game you gotta be really alerted. You can't see the creature, it's invisible to you. It's huge. Run a light at him. Or you can go invisible, like that character. Now I get hit by a light. Here, a tape over here. Here, it's over here.
85,
I got
89,
3 more to find.
79.
What? Like, how do I know I have 5 left? I got 3 more to find left. No, they're like, there's no other players. This is only me. Yeah, that's what makes it scarier. Oh, hello. No, I should have been looking. That's a statue. You're gonna be scared. I'm like, what? Oh, hello. I heard a... Oh, shit, it's over here. Please don't be here, Mr. Future. I feel an idiot. Oh, shit! It's a decoy. Decoy, just not to it. He died.
Usually missing people are never
Was I not
found.
die? But it
It's
is
done, they
vanished.
found the child's corpse lying around.
And it doesn't reach you in a second, in a certain minute. But dude, that's scary though. Because you don't know when it's gonna appear out of anywhere. That's why you always gotta look behind you. And when you hear this, you made it close to a radio. Or like a tape, I guess. Now also, you can unlock one of these characters like these, and they have their own special abilities. This one is like when you're 15 meters near something like this, they start to glow like the white lines around it. You can see where they are. This is my favorite character I like to play as. Helps a lot. Oh shit. I got one clue to find. And look what happens. I think game's over when you find this clue. There's some objectives you gotta do. Oh, I heard breathing. Very hairy ones. Fuck, it's in the building. Okay, I gotta go in there. Keep in mind you can't run forever. What? Just by like this, it's scary, right? Like I said, it's just more scary than your Dead by Daylight one. Oh, Oh, it's this thing. That's the last clue. You gotta shine your, you gotta take your flashlight near it. You gotta shine the light at it. It can destroy. Take this time. Okay, see that over there? Now I gotta go over there. Now. Always wanna go over there and destroy. Break this thing. Die, you creature. Die, you black looking creature. No! Damn it. I just caught one. I gotta get caught 2 more times. Can't make it. What was that? That wasn't a scream, that's a screech. Alright, now I gotta find the signal to break it. Here's one. Gotta break it. There's the last one. Must break it no matter what. Boom! I win! Just like that, you win. It ain't all easy. You gotta know what character you play as and what character you're good as playing as. For me, this is my character I'm good at playing. Bro, are you there? Now I'm gonna end this stream.